Until his term ends in 2022, Navotas Mayor Toby Tiangco will no longer be receiving his salary. Tiangco is donating his salary from April 2020 until June 2022 to provide cash aid for families in Navotas who did not receive the government's social amelioration program. He urged the city's Social Welfare and Development Office to think carefully on how the money will be divided. Even if he donated his salary, Tiangco acknowledged it would still not be enough to help all families affected by the COVID-19 crisis.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.